Okay, here we're taking a look at the JBL Live 3 2. Now, that's part of the JBL Live range as well. We did a video on our other channel about how to choose the best earbud. The Live range is a premium end of the JBL earbud range. As you can see, it's in pink today. There you can see the earbuds as well. Now, this is the bud design, which I really like. Now, we're going to go into a bit more detail about why these are actually very, very nice earbuds. So I'm going to start by popping them out and having a look. So there's the case to start with. Now, it's a pebble case. So there it is just there. Isn't that nice? Pebble case just there. And there's the earbud shape. Let's go and take out the actual earbuds themselves so I can show you guys what that looks like too. So drum roll please. And there are the earbuds just there. Don't they look nice as well? Take them out. So I'm going to put that to the side just for a minute, guys. And there you can see, so there's the tube design. So they sit on your ears like that. And that sits in your ears just there. Now, the good thing about that is it gives good noise sealing as well, so you can't hear the environment around you. Now, in the case, we pop them in there, and it's magnetic as well, so you go pop that in there, see how that holds in there, and pop that one in there too. See how it doesn't move at all? Now, the great thing with these is they've got incredible battery life. So you've got 35 hours, so you've got 7 hours in the buds, another 28 hours in the case as well, and they've got smart charging too. They've also got wireless charging as well, so you pop this on a wireless charger, and it starts to charge for you straight away. Now the earbuds themselves, go look at a bit more detail, have 11mm drivers. So 11mm drivers is very, very good for earbuds. They also have the touch controls in, which we'll talk about. Now they also have 6 microphones in each earbud as well. So you've got 6 in each one, which means they're going to be very, very good for calling. And these use adaptive noise cancelling as well. So it actually adapts to noise around you. With noise cancelling, which we'll talk a bit more about in the review. But you can see there, and they've also got dual connect as well. So you can do multi-point connections on different devices. But as you can see, they look very, very nice. And they feel very premium as well. And I guess that's a key thing. You want to have premium earbuds feeling premium. They've got the USB-C charging there as well if you need it. And again, just going back into the box, you have the instruction guides, instruction booklets, pretty standard for JBL. And you also have the different wingtips you can choose as well. So if you want to try them differently in your ears, you can do that. And you've got the charging cable there too. So, but as you can see, very, very nice pair of earbuds. And you can see why they have the premium feel to them. Anyway, let's go and jump in and actually try these on.